In this video, I will show you how to upload a PDF into Napkin AI and turn your text into professional visuals. Starting on the dashboard, I'm presented with several ways to add my content. I'll go ahead and select the third option by importing a file, which is highlighted in green. This opens up a new window where I can drop a file or browse my computer. I'll click Browse and select my PDF from my Downloads folder. After clicking Open, Napkin AI begins processing the file immediately. It only takes a few seconds to import everything and generate a new workspace with my text. Once the document is ready, I can see that all my headers and sections are perfectly preserved. I'm going to scroll through the content to find a good spot for a visual focusing on the three-phase launch timeline. I'll simply highlight this specific section of text to trigger the AI engine. On the left side, the AI suggestions panel appears, offering a variety of diagrams and flowcharts based on my selection. I'll browse through these options, checking out the different styles until I find the perfect match. And there you have it. That's the complete process of uploading a PDF into Napkin AI.